Handyman services, your go-to for home repairs and more. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of handyman services. Whether you're a homeowner, a tenant, or just someone curious about maintaining and improving your living space, understanding what handyman services are and how they can help you is incredibly beneficial. So, let's get started and uncover the ins and outs of handyman services together. Handyman services refer to a wide range of maintenance, repair, and improvement tasks in and around the home or commercial spaces. A handyman is a skilled professional who can handle various tasks, from minor repairs to significant renovations. The beauty of handyman services lies in their versatility. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, painting a room, or assembling furniture, a handyman is your go-to expert. In this section, we'll explore some of the most common services offered by handymen. These include, but are not limited to, minor plumbing work, fixing leaks, replacing taps, or unclogging drains. Electrical tasks, replacing light fixtures, installing ceiling fans, or fixing switches. Carpentry, repairing furniture, installing shelves, or customizing wooden structures. Painting and decorating, giving your walls a fresh coat of paint or wallpapering your rooms. General maintenance, changing light bulbs, fixing door handles, or window repairs. Hiring a handyman comes with several advantages. Firstly, it saves you time and effort. Instead of spending your weekend on repairs, you can relax or focus on other important tasks. Additionally, handymen bring expertise and the right tools for the job, ensuring that the work is done efficiently and to a high standard. Lastly, it can be cost-effective. By addressing issues promptly, you avoid more significant, costly problems down the line. Choosing the right handyman is crucial for the best service. Here are some tips. Check for reviews and references. Look for positive feedback from previous customers. Verify their expertise. Ensure they have experience with the specific services you need. Discuss costs upfront. Get a clear understanding of their rates and the expected cost of your project. Ensure they are insured. This protects you in case of accidents or damage during the work. Handyman services are a fantastic resource for maintaining and improving your home or business space. They offer convenience, expertise, and the potential to save time and money in the long run. We hope this video has shed some light on what handyman services entail and how they can be a valuable addition to your maintenance routine. Thank you for watching, and remember, for your next home repair or improvement project, consider calling a handyman to lend a skilled hand.